Ellis, where are we?
Said we gonna find Joanna Gaines.
We're in Waco, Texas. Did you find Joanna? Go find Joanna. Go find Joanna. Good boy. So we're at Magnolia. Got my Magnolia coffee. Got my Magnolia badge. And it's just a good day. It smells so good in here. Today is just the perfect day. We have our coffees and we are at Magnolia in Waco, Texas. And our beautiful sun. Yeah, I don't even care about anything right now. Everyone can just...
This is just the best day ever.
I know, Luke is telling me to be quiet, but I don't care. Living my best life today. Ellis, what are you doing right there? You're not supposed to be there. You gotta sit. Really? Ellis, don't you fall.
Welcome to Tennessee. Just went into Tennessee.
Tennessee welcomes you.
Baby, you give pump up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, well, I don't wanna jinx it, baby. And twist myself at the spine.
That was fun.
Yeah, it was.
Quick. Oh, you did, oh, I know. I saw a quick stop. Ride the scooters. Take Charlie to the dog park. Baby's asleep. Now we'll get lunch. We are in Memphis. We are eating at Texas fried chicken, and I'm so excited because we had barbecue yesterday and it was terrible. But I know this is gonna be good because it's packed in. What is that, Ellis? Say we're in Nashville. We're downtown, so it's pretty crazy.
Ellis. Wow. You having a good time? You having a good time? Oh, say hi to the camera. Hey, hey, hey. We going to the pool? Let's go to the pool. She's like, get that thing out of my face. Say hi.
What are you doing right there? I see you. I see you. Is it so fun? Say, Mom, I like climbing on things and doing this. Yeah, you do. It's so fun. So cool. We're going to the little gym. Monday, Wednesday, and Friday.
I'm not the camera guy.
If you follow us, you know that we've been in Austin for 2 months checking it out. We're on this like an adventure road trip. We drove here from Idaho through Montana, Wyoming, Denver, and then New Mexico. I'm gonna show you the little Jit. He enjoys it. It gives him time to socialize with other babies, and it just gets us on a good schedule with his nap time.